Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to flip dimensions in one click in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. This Lisp allows the user to select numerous dimensions and proceed to rotate the UCS origin by 180 degrees. First, draw some objects and add dimensions to these objects. Now load the Lisp, enter Upload, and choose your Lisp. Type DAD to activate the Lisp, then choose the wanted dimensions.